Hey, welcome to our next tutorial, that is regular expression part 2. So in the previous tutorial we have studied about the basic of regular expression. You must see that before starting to it. So what was regular expression? So if we want to represent a group of strings according to a particular pattern, then we should go for a regular expression. Now, how we can actually find the regular expression? So here we have created a program, okay, where we have a pattern class, we have a matcher class, we have, suppose here we are passing a b, so we need to find that pattern into this string, which is this text. All right, so if I change it to ab this way, and if I run it, okay, so here you can see, so the AB is on the 0th index and the second one is at the 4th index. So 0, 1, 2, okay. So 0 and 2 index, we found that. Alright, so this, that is what we actually studied on the last tutorial. Now in this tutorial, we are actually going ahead and we see more rigorous patterns. So here the first is bracket ABC. So there is there is a situation where you need to find out either A or B or C. So we can put like that way. Okay. Second is except ABC. For this we need to put a caret sign in the bracket first. Okay, start bracket caret sign and then ABC, then close bracket. So this means except A, B and C. Third one is we want to find any lowercase alphabet symbol from A to Z. So here start bracket small a to Z, close bracket. Another situation comes up when we need to find any uppercase alphabet symbol from capital A to capital Z. So capital, bracket A to Z, bracket close. Another situation where we want to find any digit from 0 to 9. So here bracket start 0 to 9. Then any alphabet, for that we have small a to z, then capital A to Z. It covers all the alphabets and that too in the square brackets. Then we have situation where we need to find any digit from 0 to 9. So here 0 to 9. Now any alphanumeric symbols. So any alphanumeric symbol means we have digit and we have alphabet symbols. Okay, so 0 to 9, small a to z, capital A to Z. Then special symbols if we want, so we can say caret means except any alphanumeric symbol that actually special symbols. All right, so I hope you have a now clear about all the patterns that we can use. So here if I say start bracket a, b and close bracket, that means either A or B. Okay, if I run it, what should I get? So here A is at 0th index, then B is at 2nd index, and that's it. Alright, so we must get 0 and 2. Okay, 0 and 2. Alright, so about this program, please see our previous tutorial. So where I was actually explained all this, pattern matcher, find method, start method, end method, and group method. All right, guys. Now let's try one more. 0, 9. So if I run this, then I'll get 1 and 6. So here we have 1, which is 3, and we have 6, which is 9. So 0 to 9 means any digit from 0 to 9. So that way you can actually try all these patterns. All right, and all these patterns we called it as character classes. All right, now let's come to our second part, which contains predefined character classes. All right. So here, suppose we have to actually regress space characters. So for that we have backslash s. So now if we put backslash capital S, that means accept space characters. Like in the previous we have caret sign, this sign, all right. So here if we have capital S, then we have accept space characters, all right. Then again backslash D means any digit from 0 to 9, and then backslash capital D means accept digit, means any characters. Backslash small w means any word character, means 0 to 9, A to Z, capital A to Z. And backslash capital W means accept word character, means special character. And at last dot means any character. All right. So when you try to put the backslash s here, all right, so you will get actually the compile time error, because backslash is actually escaping character, like we type backslash n or backslash t. So to understand the compiler, we put one more backslash, and then it will understand like, hey, I need to actually escape this, so consider this. All right. So now if I print this, so here you can see 4 and 9. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is the space, and 9 is the space. All right. Similarly, if you say D, okay, then it will print 1 and 7. So here 1 and 7, because backslash t means any digit. And similarly you can actually try with all the patterns. All right. The last one is the quantifiers. So quantifier means to specify number of occurrences to match. So suppose we have a string like AB, AAB, AAAB. So here I can say, okay, tell me how many exactly how many exactly one, means A I have, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Then if I'm saying A plus, it means at least one time A. If I'm saying A star, means any number A is including zero number. And if I say A question mark, means at most one A. Okay, let's run it one by one so that you can understand. First case I'm running compile A. Okay, means exactly one time A. So here we have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 0, 2, 3. All right. So this is 0. So B is not A. Then 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. All right. Now let's make it A plus. If I run it, then you can see 0 to 5. So means at 0th place we have A. Then at least one A, means like if I have an occurrence like this, so it will consider it as a single time. Then at second place we have A, and then A, it will consider as a single. Then at 5 position we have this A. All right. Now let's make it star. So here we can see, okay, 0, 1. So at 0th index we have A. Now any number A is including 0 number, so B is considered as 0. So you can see here at one position is blank. Then 2 we have AA. Then fourth B we have blank. Then again 5 we have AAA, means any number A's, means this is at least a number, like we have plus. And the star we have, like we have 0 number as well, means if we have like B, C, anything here, so it will consider at as a pattern. All right. The last one is the question mark. At most one A. If I run it, then it will print actually all. Like at 0th index we have A, at 1 we have 0, so at most 1. Okay, like that. So I hope you can understand the second tutorial of regular expression. We will come up with more regular expression tutorials If you like